Hi Ashwini,
Hi,
ready to walk and talk?
ready?
Let's start. What is a skin barrier, simply put?
Think of it as skin shield. It keeps the moisture inside and the external stresses outside.
Okay, so how many layers does skin really have?
There are three layers: epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous. The outermost epidermis is what we call a skin barrier.
Alright, and what can damage our skin barrier?
Several factors like harsh cleansers, UV light, pollution, extreme weather conditions.
What is microbiome?
Microbiome. Micro as in tiny, biome organisms. So these are microorganisms that live on skin surface. They are like the barrier of skin's barrier.
Okay, it sounds scary, Ashwini.
Not really. Let me explain it. It's like a community living together in harmony and bringing balance. It's like an army of good bacteria that keep skin healthy.
You mentioned about balancing. What happens when this microbiome is balanced?
So the army of good bacteria, they maintain skin in a healthy state, making it smooth and hydrated.
Okay, and what are the sneaky things that hurt our microbiome?
Many things: harsh cleansers, excessive scrubbing, and even sometimes hot showers.
What if my skin microbiome is off? What will I notice?
You will notice dryness, blotchiness, breakouts, even if your skin was completely fine before.
Okay, and what are the best ingredients for skin microbiome?
They are prebiotics. They are the food for good bacteria to thrive on.
Ashwini, you spoke about harsh cleansers. Can you tell us what harsh cleanser does to the skin?
Harsh cleansers basically strip away the skin's natural oils and moisture, leaving it dry and tight.
How do we protect the army of good bacteria on our skin?
Use products that contain prebiotics and are gentle on your skin, like the Pond's Hydra Miracle Gentle Gel Face Wash and the Biome Gel.
So how does Pond's Hydra Miracle Gentle Gel Face Wash help my microbiome?
It is designed with mild surfactants that is gentle on your skin, and it balances the skin microbiomes.
And what about the Pond's Biome Gel? How it is different from a regular moisturizer?
This one is made with 10 million prebiotic molecules that boost skin microbiome and strengthens barrier.
Now that you have covered everything about skin microbiome, are there any do's and don'ts to maintain it?
Yes, avoid products that contains ingredients like alcohol, which could be damaging, and use products that are hydrating and moisturizing on your skin.
Alright, thank you so much Ashwini for spending time with us today.
Thank you for watching me. Subscribe to Be Beautiful for all things beauty and wellness.